Rightio guys, so today we're doing pork meatballs. They're going to be the easiest pork meatballs you've ever made in your life. We're going to serve that in a really healthy dish with some collini, which is a mix between a cauliflower and a broccolini, some kalettes, which is a mix between a Brussels sprout and kale. We're going to top it with some pistachio dukkha and some cottage cheese. It's an easy dish. Ready? Let's get into it. Alright, so the ingredients we got today, we got 3 Italian pork sausages, we got some chives, we've got some cannellini beans, some organic cannellini beans. We've got some organic garlic paste. We've got some pistachio dukkha. We've got some onion and chive cottage cheese. We've got our collini here. And we've got our kalettes. I've just got a little bit of butter over there. We've got some avocado oil and some salt and cracked pepper as always. Ready? Let's get into it. Alright, so the kalettes, we basically don't need to do anything to them. They're already done. So we're going to use half that bag later on. So our collini, we just want to slice it. This size is like that. Just like that size. Alright, so our pork sausages, all we want to do to make our meatballs, we just want to slice into it like that. Not all the way through, just a little bit. You just want to take it out of the casting like that. We just want to roll them into meatballs. They don't have to be perfect size meatballs, I like the rustic look. Just in little meatballs that size. When our meatballs are all rolled, the last thing that we want to do is we want to get a strainer and a bowl and get our cannellini beans, and we just want to drain all that juice off them. We're just going to put that to the side and we're just going to let it drain until we're ready for it. Alright, so we've got a pan on medium heat. Just going to spray it with some avocado oil. Throw on our meatballs that we rolled. Going to brown these off all over. Just want to keep turning these and flipping them until they're brown all over. Take about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Alright, so when they're all nice and brown, we just want to get our garlic paste. I just want to put a teaspoon of the garlic paste in. And stir that in and cook it off a little bit. And we just want to throw in about 1/4 cup of organic chicken stock. Just want to continue cooking these pork meatballs. They're going to start poaching now. So this is about the time that we want to throw in our collini. This is going to take about 3.5 minutes to cook all up. Just want these vegetables to cook, the pork meatballs to finish cooking through, and this chicken stock to reduce down. Throw on our kalettes now. Just keep mixing them in. Keep cooking these kale and the collini. Right, so we just want to keep cooking these until the veggies are all cooked, the meatballs are all cooked. We'll come back in about 3.5 minutes. It'll all be done then. We'll throw in our beans and we'll finish it off. Right, so it's been cooking for about 2 minutes now, so we just want to season it with some cracked pepper. Some sea salt. Just going to stir that in. We're going to cook it for another 1.5 minutes and then we'll finish it off. Alright, so those veggies are just about cooked to my liking now. You don't want them too crunchy and you definitely don't want them too soft. So we're going to throw in our beans that we drained earlier. Stir them in. So by the time it takes for your stock to reduce, that's about the time we'll be ready. So we just want to throw in a tablespoon of butter. Stir it all in, and then we're just about finished. So we're just going to turn it up high. We're going to let these beans cook a little bit. We're going to let that stock and that butter just reduce a little bit more, and then we'll be ready to plate them up. Alright, so the veggies are all cooked now. We're just going to turn that heat off. The butter and stock have reduced. We still want a little bit of liquid, but we don't want too much. So just going to let it there to cool down just a little bit. We're going to get the rest of our ingredients ready, and we'll plate it up. Alright, and so to plate up, just want to get a little bit of everything. This is going to serve 2 people. 2 nice serves. So just want to get our veggies in first. Our meatballs. I'm going to get some of those nice beans. The organic cannellini beans. Alright, and all we want to do to finish it off then, we want to get our cottage cheese. Just want to spoon a little bit all over, just little dobs. Just like that. And the last 2 things, I've got some chopped chives there, and I've got our pistachio ducker here. That all over the top. Some of our fresh cut chives. Rightio guys, that's my easy pork meatballs. Give that one a go. Really easy to do. Just take the sausages out of the casting. You can use chicken sausages. That'd be a really good sausage for this dish as well if you don't like pork. You can even use beef if you like, but they're a bit strong for this dish. You can still use them if you don't like the chicken or the pork sausages. Give this one a go. It's super simple, super easy, and super healthy. I love this sort of food. Remember, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe down the bottom. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.